Welcome! In this video, we will explore the fundamental integrals of trigonometric functions. These are the core building blocks you need for calculus. Before we memorize formulas, it is crucial to remember that integration is simply the reverse process of differentiation. If you know your derivatives, you already know your integrals. Let's start with sine. The derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. Therefore, when we integrate sine x, we get negative cosine x plus c. The negative sign is key here. For cosine, it is more straightforward. The derivative of sine x is cosine x, so the integral of cosine x goes directly back to positive sine x plus c. Now for the squared terms, recall that the derivative of tangent x is secant squared x. This means the integral of secant squared x is simply tangent x plus c. Similarly, the derivative of cotangent x is negative cosecant squared x, so integrating cosecant squared x gives us negative cotangent x plus c. Moving to products, you might remember that the derivative of secant x is secant x times tangent x. Thus, the integral of that product returns us to secant x. And for the cofunctions, the integral of cosecant x times cotangent x results in negative cosecant x plus c. Notice the pattern. Results starting with co often involve a negative sign. Why do we always add c? Integration finds a family of functions. Shifting a curve up or down does not change its slope, so all these parallel curves are valid answers. Let's apply this. To integrate 4 cosine x minus 5 secant squared x, we treat each term separately. The result is 4 sine x minus 5 tangent x plus c. Here is the summary of the 6 basic forms. Pause the video here if you need to memorize these. They are essential for solving more complex trigonometry problems later. Thank you for watching. Mastering these standard forms will make advanced integration techniques much easier. Don't forget to practice.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.